Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to talk about your settings area, in particular your notifications. Now you'll notice that you will get to pick an email that will be associated with all of the notifications that Blog Talk Radio is going to do with you. You can also have that same information sent to a mobile device, and you can also have sent to your email address a calendar reminder. And what this will be, it will be something that will be clickable so that when you get it in your email, you'll be able to put it in your Outlook or your Google Calendar. Now you'll also notice that you have reminders here, and you can determine how you can be reminded about shows that you are following, even up to when they will actually occur. You'll also be able to determine when you get notified about shows that you are actually hosting, and then shows that you have set to remind you. And this is set also to individual channels. Now, because Blog Talk Radio is a network in and of itself, that means then that you can actually have notifications sent to you when there is activity. So Blog Talk Radio will give news and updates. Sometimes people will send you a message inside of your channel, maybe about your show or about something that they want to collaborate with you on, or when someone actually decides to follow your show. And you can actually get notification about that. And this can be good because what you can do is you can actually start to develop relationships with other show creators and collaborate with them when you get to know them. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.